Former President and international icon Nelson Mandela states, "Overwhelming poverty is not a task of charity, it's an act of justice. Like slavery and apartheid, poverty is not natural. It is man-made, and it can be overcome and eradicated by the actions of human beings."
The only thing I need is a school for this child. I can play my own part if at all somebody can find a school for me.
And an African female born in South Africa has a greater likelihood of being raped than learning to read.
Please help me. We must find for my child school. She's a slow learner. Because I want my child to have education. We can't get the schools until now. Now she stays at home. I feel ashamed for her.
The goal of Impact Kids Preschool is to reach and educate the underprivileged, orphaned, and at-risk children with quality, caring Christian education. The first successfully and fully functional location began in February 2010 and has been thriving in Kayasan Squatter Camp, home to an estimated 18,000 residents. In 2012, we opened our second school in the informal settlement of Deep Sloot. Both schools are currently full and ready for expansion. Impact Kids is a place of refuge, love, and hope for children, where they receive quality education and a stable and safe learning environment. Emphasis is on the preschool and kindergarten level to capture the little ones from an early age. The curriculum used at Impact Kids aligns with South Africa's educational requirements known as CAPS and is infused with godly principles. Our goal is not only to prepare students for formal schooling, but to take every opportunity to give them a tangible touch of God's love. World Summit for Children states, "There is no cause which merits a higher priority than the protection and development of children, on whom the survival, stability, and advancement of all nations, and indeed of human civilization depends." The preschool facilities also act as a community care center for its residents. This enables us to increase our touch points in a very practical way. We are involved in and expanding our scope through adult education classes, such as job and skills training, as well as teaching English classes. The medical clinic serves residents with basic health care and at-home-based care visits. And our Deep Sloot Center is home to our latest initiative, the Impact Baby Rescue Center, helping to care for abandoned babies and children found in crisis. Isaiah 54:13 in the message states, "All your children will have God for their teacher." What a mentor for your children. Education of the young is imperative and an investment in the future of a community, a people group, and ultimately an entire country. You can help us make an impact in a number of different ways. 1. Invest. Help us reach this generation by fueling the financial needs of Impact Kids. You can help sponsor a child, radically change the life of a child in need, and give the gift of education today. Sponsor a child for just $49 or 350 Rand a month, or contact us about sponsoring other monthly needs. Connect. Share with your family and friends the vision of Impact Kids Preschool and Community Care Centers. We endeavor to partner with corporations, business leaders, churches, mission organizations, and passionate individuals. Serve locally. Use your gift or talent to help us develop the children of Impact Kids. Visit our website and sign up to receive our newsletters as well as follow our blog so you can stay connected and up to date on all our continuous activities.